In this video, I'm going to show you how you can record your Windows 11 screen for free using a built-in recorder, which is actually on Windows 11. So not many people know about this, but I'm going to show you how you can do it right now. So here I am on Windows 11. You can do this on computer or laptop. So go to your search bar and you want to type in snipping tool. And once you've typed in snipping tool, you'll be able to open it. Maybe you've used this before to capture snippets of your screen. But if you actually click on this recording icon, instead of capturing a snippet and a picture, you can actually record. So if you press Windows, Shift and R, it's going to open up a window where you can then select which window you want to record. So now we can go ahead and select the area we want to record once we've clicked on Windows, Shift R. Now we can go ahead and start the recording. You can also choose if you want to have the microphone on, and you're going to need to choose what microphone you want here. So I'm going to choose my Rode. We can mute the system audio if needed, but to start recording, just click start. It's then going to count down, and apologies if this messes with the audio. But now, yeah, we're recording and we can just record the screen as usual. You can open up files and you can go ahead and record whatever is on your screen. Once you're done, click on stop recording, and then here you can see that recording. You can play this and preview this. I am going to mute the audio though. If this is a recording and you're happy with it, go save in the top right hand corner. Then you can save it to your videos. So we'll click save, and there you go. That's essentially how you can record your screen on Windows 11 with the built-in recorder.